You're almost done with the lesson. Let's finish up. This is titled Rocks in Everyday Life. Did you know that we deal with rocks all the time? And remember, all those rocks are made out of minerals. So on this interactive here, it's going to take you through a quick tutorial. You'll click through this. You can click on this guy here, and his name is Iggy, I guess. He's made of basalt, a type of volcanic rock. Now remember, we're going to look more at basalt on the next lesson. This is a little piece right here of basalt. And then we'll click on that rock to collect it, and it will go down to the bottom over here. Let me move my oh shoot, I can't move my video. Oh, I can. So Iggy's made out of basalt. We click on basalt, we can read about it, and it's made out of volcanic rock on Earth. It's also found on the moon. It's also found on Mars. Okay, whatever. That's not the interesting part. Now you get to click on things like paints or makeup or a cell phone. When you click on something, it will tell you that some minerals in it are tantalite, spodumene, monazite, and platinum. And you'll click on those, and then you can click on them down here to read more about them. There's platinum. And eventually, you want to keep going until you get a couple of the same minerals. Here's colored pencils and so on. So you collect those rocks and you'll read about graphite is the mineral that makes the pencil lead, for example. All right, let's keep going. You have to list 3 ways that rocks and minerals are used in your everyday life. I suggest using examples from up here. You have to identify a type of rock or mineral that's found in 2 of the objects up here. So I don't know if I found one that was used in 2 objects. Those all look different for me so far. I've got to keep going first. And then you've got to compare and contrast how we're using the same material for 2 different things. What's similar about those atoms and what's different? The last question before the reflection is, which use for rocks or minerals did you find the most surprising or interesting? So maybe you didn't realize that there were rocks and minerals inside your cell phone. I don't know. But which one of those up there was surprising? Maybe it's the gum. Who knows? All right. And the very last bit here is a reflection question. So let's pretend that someone around here didn't have access to a computer or something, and you need to tell them about what we learned today. All right. They messaged you and they said, "Sup, I'm so sick," with an emoji. What did I miss today? And so you're going to write them back. You're going to say, "Get better soon. Today we learned about," and you're going to click here and you're going to type your answer right in there. All right. Don't forget, when you're finished, click this button. I'm finished. Show my teacher. All right. Good luck, guys.